Everyone, welcome to my first tutorial. This is for YouTube. We're gonna start learning how to do the basics of HTML. This is really just the basics, but let's get started. Let's learn all about HTML. Okay, so on the HTML we have the HTML tags. That is this and this. It's for you to tell the page that this is how it's gonna work. It's an HTML page. But okay, on the HTML page you have a heading, which is head, and the body where the rest of the text goes. On your head you usually put the title, and if you have the style, the CSS, as most people call them. So, and also HTML tag usually starts with a bracket. There are these right here, and they usually come in pair, as you can see. And for you to tell which one is the opening tag and the closing tag, the closing tag has a slash on it right before the name of the tag. But yeah, okay, so on the head we're just gonna put for now title, like so. Oops, oh my god, what did I do? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so we're gonna put HTML Series 1 Part 1, and on the body we're just gonna name some of the HTML that you should know. You should know what image source is. I have an image already. I'm gonna get the source of it right here. So the skateboard. I'm going to copy that. We're going to add it right there. You should know also how to change the font. If you want to change the size of a font, you just put font size equals, and you can put, let's put 40, and you just type your text, then you end font. If you want to change your font color, you just put font color equals whatever your little heart desires, your text and font. Then if you like to change the face of it, which instead of being Arial or whatever the default is, you can change it to Times New Romans. You can change it to like Regana or something. And you type your text and you end font tag. You can also combine all of them together, just like so. I'll show it to you guys right here. Oops, color equals red, and face equals Verdana. And you type your text. If you like for you to have space between each text, you can add a line break, which is BR. BR does not have any tag to it, but you can do so by knowing that there's some people use a slash on it, like so right there, like I use it right there. Some people do it like that. It does not matter. So I'm just adding a line break at the end of every text, so it'll be separate. You should also know how to use the href. You should know this also. That's for links. So let's say we want to go to YouTube. You just type in like this, and you put YouTube. And okay, so what I just did is I put href and then the URL here. Then I put the URL name. Then I just ended the tag like so. So we're gonna make another one with putting Google on it. Google.com. And we're gonna put Google right here. And you can also make another one. Let's say, whoops, I just gotta change something right here. Okay. If you like this one to go to, let's say, MySpace, you can do so. Type this, But let's say you want to change the font. You can do so by put font. Let's say you want to make it the font color lime or something. And if you want to, yeah, change that. You can also like add the stuff that I just talked about there. Let's put here MySpace. Close the font and close the link tag, and then you can just add a break right there. So I'll show you guys right here what we have already. Let's say this is HTML 1, part 1. Okay, let's save that. Okay, now we're gonna go to our localhost, tuts, and it's gonna show up right here. Here we have it, and as you can see, there's the image right there. There's the line breaks. As you can see, it's all separate except here I did not add a line break. And you have your text that's bigger. You have your color text, and you have your text with Verdana on it. And here you have all of them together. And here you have your links, as you can see. Probably. Yeah, I typed it wrong. I put too many W's. Sorry about that. Okay, so there's the Google, and as you can see, I changed the color of MySpace, the link MySpace. So when you click on it, it goes to MySpace and everything. But it's just green. And yeah, that's basically it for the really basics of HTML. On my next video, I will talk about tables. Please subscribe so you guys can know more about my videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.